everyone, today we're here with the Curateur, formerly known as the Rachel Zoe Box of Style. This is a seasonal, meaning it's every 3 months, 4 times a year, so or quarterly, fashion subscription box. Basically, these boxes come with like hundreds of dollars worth of items, really beautiful items. You do have choices. You're able to select certain items in your boxes. The other items are curated for you. Boxes are $99 a season, and there's usually a coupon code. I will put that down in the description box along with my affiliate link for you to use if you decide to sign up to give you some money off. I'm actually wearing the necklace from the summer box. So this is their fall box. I'm super stoked. I don't know what's in here. I didn't look up any spoilers. I tried to stay out of there. I may have selected the hero, they call it the hero item, but I may not have. I don't remember now, which is kind of good. That's going to work for both of us. Like, it's going to add to that element of surprise. I'm super excited to see what's in here. The box is just, the items are beautiful. They're high quality. If you are looking for a subscription that's going to give you really nice items every season, and like, but also a good surprise, like, it's just like a gift to yourself, to be honest. And that's what I think. That's how I feel about it. So we're going to open this up and get right in. And so I will also link down below to the review on my blog. We'll go in depth. We'll go through all the values of each item. But the box does come with a magazine. This is going to list each of the items in the box. It usually gives the retail values as well. And a little bit of backstory. There's usually some jewelry that has like this had a story behind it. and just things like that. And so I really like that. I think it makes it more involved and more fun. All right. We'll look at that at the end though. All right, so there's some tissue paper, and I want to kind of show you guys as we go through. I love the inside of the box is really stylish. It's sleek. It feels high-end. Like, everything about this box feels like classy, you know? I just hit myself on the head. That's classy. All right, so this is from Parish, LA. I don't know what it is. Go ahead. I'm gonna put the box in the floor before I knock something over. Oh, it's a blanket or a shawl. Oh no. Here, I'll show you guys. Oh, isn't that cool? Oh, I love it. It's like, it's simple, but it's like refined. There's something very like special about this. It's funny because I had something similar, but it had a strap that I would always lose. It would fall out. And I love this because it's very similar to that item, but there's no strap that I'll lose. So this is just very nice to walk around your house if it's a little chilly, fall day. It's got all those like the earth tone, but with the black, I like it. I'm gonna wear it the rest of the video. If you guys don't mind. I hope you don't mind. All right. Next up we have, this is from Naeem Khan. I don't know what this is. We're going to open it and find out. It would be helpful if I had some scissors. I don't want to rip the box because I still have to take my pictures. Ah! I hope I remember to edit this out. I hope I do. All right. There we got it. All right, this looks like a candle. Oh, it's so pretty. I don't know if it's going to translate on camera. So here is the candle, and it has like this opalescent outside. Do you see that? Like is that the right word? Opalescent, like a mother of pearl, and it's studded. I don't know the scent. It's a floral fruity. I'm going to say like an orange. But there is a floral scent as well. I'm not sure what that is. I'm going to have to read the magazine, huh? All right. Keeping it moving here. Next up we have, this is from Jillian Dempsey. This is the Kohl Eyeliner. This is waterproof. I am not going to open this up, but it does say it gives you an instant smoky eye. I am going to open it up. Why not? Why not? Because I have about 2,000 open. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, so wow. Okay, so it has a little part to smudge here. And then, oh, I love this style. It has the little, and then here is your liner. Let's see here. Oh, that's cool. I like that. I like that a lot. So there's that. All right. All right, next up is the Nuori. This is a brand I've never heard of. This is the Vital Repair Serum, Rehydrating and Soothing Antioxidant Complex. So this is a lightweight, intensely hydrating serum that calms and deeply rehydrates skin while targeting both emerging and existing visible signs of photo damage. Perfect for skin exposed to seasonal or lifestyle stressors. So I'm guessing Nuori is the first all-natural brand delivering scientifically proven results. We ensure the highest efficacy and purity of our formulas by freshly blending products in small batches. As a sign of our commitment to freshness, we mark all Nuori products with fresh batch number. I'm trying to look for the active ingredients. Yes, this is a hyaluronic acid serum. I'm actually going to pass this on to a friend because I have rosacea and I can't use hyaluronic acid serum. However, I'm sure that this is wonderful. All right. Then we're on to our final item. So this is from Oma, the label, another brand I've never heard of. And it's in a little velvety pink pouch, very pretty. And it has a button, which I think is cute. So we're going to open that up. Is this a bracelet? Swinks. All right. Oh yes. So it has like a an interesting. It's not a lobster claw, but it's got that push thing. Oh, am I gonna be able to put this on myself? Probably not, but I'll show you guys like this. Very pretty, but it has like that. It's like a statement. You know what I mean? It does make a statement. It's not over the top. It's simple, but it is elegant and makes a statement. All right, so those are all the items in my Curateur box for fall. I think this is a great fall collection. I really do. Let's look at our little booklet because I'm curious to find out a little bit more about the items, right? All right. Sorry, my nose itches. So the first item is the was a choice from Oma the Label. So we got the Abuja bracelet, which is $79 value. There was another bracelet called the Timepiece bracelet, and I think that's because it looks like a watch band. That was an item you could choose, and that was $89. All right. Lauren Parrish Walker poncho is valued at $148. That's really cool. This I love. I think this is beautiful. Something very special about it. Because you can wear it with something very simple and make it something more. Do you know what I mean? All right. The Naeem Khan candle is rose scented. That does not come off to me immediately like rose. The light rose scent infuses your home with femininity, and detailed glass votive doubles as chic decor, which is totally true. The votive is beautiful. That is a $95 candle. I've never heard of that brand. I would have to look them up. All right, the Nuori is the skincare product. Founded by L'Oreal alum Jasmine Bonin, Nuori Skincare prides itself on freshly blended products that deliver ultra pure formulations and highly effective results. The Vital Repair Serum is valued at $69. And then there is, I guess this is there an item I missed, or is that an optional item? No. All right. There were some items here, I guess that they were alternatives to the Nuori. There is a Frederick Fekkai product. There's the Jillian, so that was this was the Shea Butter Intense Oil that was valued at $28. All right, so then the Kohl Eyeliner from Jillian Dempsey in Jet Black is valued at $20. And that's everything. And then there's an article in here about Christy Turlington, who was a supermodel. And then there is some pictures of items that are available in the shop, which is, you know, a little online shop that you can go and buy more products. And then there is a little fitness article. And then there's just like style ideas and things like that. I love the magazine. I think it's really cool. I think it's a great addition to the box. But I love this box for fall. I think fall is, I don't try to have a favorite season. I tell people I love the change of seasons. I think it's exciting that, you know, time is moving on and we're getting to experience something different. Keeps life fun and interesting. But I do think if I had to pick, I'd pick fall. I just love it. It's just nice. And I just love this. I think it's cool. Anyway, so if you're interested in checking out Curateur, I will link to them below. I will also link to my full review on my blog where we'll go in depth and all that good stuff. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.